Hey everybody! So I'm super excited to share with you all the stuff that I have to do my October daily. I don't plan it out as much as December daily. This is just what I have on hand, but I am going to do a second video with my printables because I'm not quite done printing everything, and also I'm working out a few like details that I want to work out with my printables because I might have some ideas, more ideas that I want to share with you. So I'm just going to start with the physical stuff that I have. And I have three pretty exciting things to me to share with you. This is one right here, this is one, and this is kind of one. But let me get started by showing you these, I guess. Okay, so I was going through the craft closet that we have, and I was looking for the stickers for my daughter, and I found these Mind's Eye chipboard pieces and Halloween collection from 10 years ago. No joke, from 10 years ago. I even have a die cut from there, and I don't know if I have some, oh, I have some papers. I'll go get those, but I have a bunch of chipboard pieces, and then I gathered up some of the die cuts from that kit. It's like 10 years old, you guys, and I never used it, so this will be perfect to use. I also threw in the Hey Pumpkin line that I did not finish last year, so all that stuff is in there. But these top ones are from the same collection. Let me go grab the papers. All right, here is the papers. Have the orange one. Obviously, I was even using my Cricut back then. And then I have some ravens, blackbirds, little piece of green. I mean, does anybody remember this collection? This collection is so old. And these cute little pumpkins. Those would be fun to fussy cut out. And here's all the characters on the paper. And then this would be cute to cut out. I thought about cutting this out and then putting it on a transparency. That would be cute. And then the other side. This one. And then more of the pumpkins. And then another one of the house. Yeah, I remember absolutely loving this line, but I think the chipboard made me nervous, so that's why I didn't use it maybe? I don't know. My loss, but now it's my gain 10 years later, hopefully, hoping to use some of these pieces. All right, so the next thing I have to share with you is super fun, and it is a woman-run business, which you know I love women-run businesses. It is Social Paper Plan. The name of the shop is Social Paper Plan, and it's run by Tina, and she is so awesome. So she has this really cool collection called Moons and Brooms, and it has this die cuts that are just adorable. Just adorable. So there is a broom, spider, star, and then the cat and some pumpkins. Just a wide variety of die cuts, and I'm obsessed. I just love these. And then some books, potions, a magic ball, a moon, more potion, and a book. And they're on really thick, nice paper, so I like them. Good size right there, and thickness, and the paper. And the colors are so vibrant too. She also has some sticker sheets. I grabbed some of those. I love these. They're gonna be great in my journal. And I also grabbed these girls. Oh my gosh, I love these girls. Makes me wanna dress up as one of these girls, and then I can look like one of them. Very Halloween-y. So this one has, it looks like ice cream. This one's reading a book, doing makeup, witch power, riding a bike. I love that. She's blowing a bubble with her bubble gum, and then one big one drinking some sort of drink with a skull in it. And then if you spend $25 or more, you get a really cute vinyl sticker. One. And then Tina has a coupon code for my subscribers that watch the video, and it's down below in the description box. You get 25% off if you buy 3 or more products. So you can get yourself some goodies. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next thing to show you. This one was the other one that I wanted to show you. It's kind of silly, but this was the last one in the store. Like the entire display of their craft products at Michael's was gone. There was nothing left except this. So I grabbed this and I'm probably gonna split it with my daughter. Just has some really cute, fun designs in it, and I just couldn't resist. Couldn't resist, and there's even some like shiny holographic ones, and then a haunted house. So some really cute, fun designs, and then like I said, I can share it with my daughter. And then over here, it's just leftover Hey Pumpkin stuff that I had from last year. This I already showed you, but this I found in my Ellie Studio stash, so I'm gonna use that. And then, like I said, just Hey Pumpkin, which I absolutely loved that line, and I used a lot last year, so there's not much left. But I did realize that there is acdigitals.com, and they have the Hey Pumpkin line in digital form. So I could just print some more if I wanted to. And then these are from Little Lamm Paper Company, just some that I had left over. And then this is the paper pad from Hey Pumpkin and what I have left over. Not a lot, but I have some. Let me show you some stamp sets that I have. I was digging through my stash for all my stamp sets. I have Ellie Studio, Winifred. I could definitely use this one. I'm thinking I could use Stanley Jr. And then I have some stamps I found at Tuesday Morning last year. I think they're from the Crate Paper After Dark collection. And once again, that could be found on acdigitals.com. So this one is just a super cute owl and some pumpkins. This one has a ghost in the haunted house. This one has lots of stars. I used this one a lot last year, the stars, and then Halloween. And then this one, I got this one so I could share it with my daughter because of the cat and the little hat. But I love this one. They're all very cute. I also have a really cool stamp set from Kellie from Kellie Stamps. She made this one, I think, a few years ago, but this is gonna come to her digital shop this month, and she's also gonna have a card set too, so that's gonna be really awesome. But this one has Witch Better Have My, and then you could do candy or coffee, and then resting witch face, a spider web. So really cute, fun little stamp set. I also added in my Allie Edwards stamps. I don't think I've used them much. I need to. So I added in that one and then that one. And I love this one. Halloween moments, spooky and silly, and then a bat, and then this little font is really cool. So those are my stamp sets. Over here I have some Colorcast Designs that have just been left over throughout the years. And I have these frames that I have never used, and I really want to try to use them maybe on a page. And same thing with this. I've never used this and I need to use it up. I also have a few pumpkins in there, and then Witch Better Have My Candy. I think that was a collaboration between her and Tracy Reed. So, and then popcorn, so I can use that on like when we watch movies. So just a little bit of Colorcast Designs. I also have some really old Ellie Studio wood veneer that I might try to use up. What else do I have? Okay, and so the box that I'm storing this all in is from IKEA, and I just throw it all in here. This little section right here is just the digital pieces that I didn't use, and I can just try to reuse them, but it has a section. I have this really cool stamp that I've had for years and years. That's in there. A few washi tapes, and then some journaling cards, tags, that kind of stuff. So just random stuff. But this is my collection of Halloween goodies, and like I said, I will do another video for the printables because I'm still printing some things and working on some ideas with my printables. But this is what I have for physical, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my stash, and I'm super excited to document October. So happy October. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.